the way that your relative dealt with this pandemic, and was he aware of any changes in his life?
No, I don't think so. Since he was not really before the pandemic, he was not really going out a lot because, as I said, his physical health had already deteriorated or declined a lot. So I don't think he was really much affected by the pandemic, to be honest, because obviously he cannot go out and he is not aware of what is happening around. I mean, he may be aware of something. For example, if you are arguing in front of him, if you speak too loud, if you are sad. For example, if my mom is not at home, I think he feels sad. And in this sense, it's true that my mom had COVID. He suffered from COVID, and she was in hospital for some time. And we could see that he was feeling sad because he was not seeing her every day. So he's able to feel these changes affecting his everyday life, such as the absence of, the people that is constantly around him. But he's not able to feel other things, such as,
So it's like he communicates with feelings.
With feeling.
He communicates. He communicates with you between his feelings. Like when he's sad, he's sad because well.
Yeah. Okay, you can see that in his face. Okay, you can see when he's sad. Sometimes I think in the last year his health declined so much that you cannot see that he is really very happy now. But before that, you could really distinguish whether he was happy or he was sad. Because when he was happy, he used to smile at you. He used to laugh sometimes. Nowadays, he doesn't laugh so often. But sometimes you can see, when you look at him, you can see whether he's more or less happy or not. Yeah. Before that, now he doesn't smile a lot. But before that, he smiled when you arrived home, for example, and you said, "Hello, how are you?" He used to smile. And if you speak, to him, he looks at you, okay, very intensely. He's very, the way he looks at you is very expressive.
And how about you? How did you feel along the lockdown, and what followed?
Myself, during the lockdown,
Yes.